Hey there, fellow gardeners! Let's dive into the world of gardening and specifically growing potatoes. Today, we're going to show you a simple and lazy way of growing potatoes that will give you a massive yield. That's right, with minimal effort and maximum yield. First off, let's talk about containers. These are the secret to our lazy potato growing method. You can use old tires or recycled barrels for this. The key is to stack them up in a pyramid shape while leaving some space between them. This creates the perfect environment for your potatoes to grow. Next, it's time to plant your seeds. You can use old seed potatoes or buy new ones from your local nursery. Just remember, spacing is key here. Plant each seed at least 12 inches apart to ensure they have enough room to grow and develop into healthy plants. Now, let's talk about watering. Watering is crucial in any garden, but for potatoes grown in containers like ours, it's even more important. Make sure to water your plants regularly and deeply during the growing season. This will help the roots grow downwards into the soil and increase your yield at harvest time. That's it for today's gardening tips. By following these simple steps, you can grow tons of potatoes with just a small amount of effort and space. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening hacks and tips. Until next time, happy gardening!